These some nice couches, man. Yeah, you like this one? You looking for like a little desk or something to hold the microwave up? That's what we're looking for. So I got my food. Let's see what they did. Let's see if they hooked me up. Shit. Thank you, Lord. So I just seen some pecan pie. So I'm like, if we gonna get nothing in here, we getting that for sure. So we found something. Is we going to Artie's or no?
Yeah.
She going in there to get the pecan pie. It is November the 23rd. Thanksgiving is tomorrow. Motherfuckers is now shop. What, Lily?
They sold out.
They what? They what? This is
Like
what my girlfriend working at the Walmart. Let me pop on her. How many people do you know, man?
I feel like I'm showing you my house.
Real shit, like I know where your house is. Yo, what up, DFGang? You already know what it is, man. I'm just about to vlog my day-to-day type shit because I'm off. Might as well get a video out type shit. You know what I mean? It's nice outside, though. It's not cold, it's not hot, it's just right. So yeah, man, you already know what it is. We're just going on a little vlog trip type shit. The package is supposed to be coming, but I don't know when type shit. Because they said it was supposed to come yesterday, but it never came. Yeah, roughly Detroit rain. Like this ain't no damn good. This is some regular type shit. But I'm not no regular type of nigga though, you know what I mean? So we about to go to Big Lock real quick, so yeah, I'm gonna try to take this
And no close spots, you see.
I know, man. You know, I'm like, what a close spot to see. Around here. They call me bullshit, man. If I know you don't know, running up, pink. You ain't batty. Need me a wine. I am getting wine for Thanksgiving, though, respectfully. What game share? Where? Yep, that is.
No, it looks like it's got an old.
Come here, boy! Yeah. A thing?
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
You don't see that?
Oh, yeah. It looked like a game chair though. These some nice couches, man. Yeah, you like this one? This couch. It is a nice couch. I wonder if these couches is for sale too. They got some nice couches in here. Nice bed. I like this one. This would be the YouTube couch. For all collaborations. The bed is nice. But it's plain. Don't it look like mine, but it's so plain? Like mine got
like
the...
think yours was nicer.
Yeah. It looked the same, but it's just real plain. We're looking for like a little desk or something to hold the microwave up. That's what we're looking for. That's a little locker. I'm gonna get right back with y'all when we find something, if we find something. Hopefully we do find a little table stand, like for a microwave or something. For a toaster oven, that's what it's for. They hold up, but it's hard to find one. So I'm gonna get right with you. Hopefully we find one. Put prayer hands up. So we didn't find what we was looking for, but we did see some options, but yeah.
They're just not strong.
They just not strong as options. Some of them tables looked weak and not sturdy enough, so yeah. I'm about to order me something to eat. I'm thinking Marco's type shit. So y'all, I'm about to order my food and I'm gonna get right back with y'all.
Thank you for calling your local Marco's Pizza. Enjoy a large specialty pizza, piled high with premium toppings and made with 3 fresh.
2,000 years later.
Hello, thank you for calling Marco's. How can I help you?
Hi, how much for a small pizza?
For a small pizza?
Mm-hmm.
One topping.
A small. Give me just a sec. Alright, a small with 1 topping is $9.04.
Okay, can I get a small pepperoni pizza?
Yeah. Anything else?
That's it.
Alright, just to make sure we got this under the right name here, Devon.
Ding, 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 ding. That's right, nigga.
Yep, Davon, yep.
Alright, total comes to 904, and that'll be ready for pickup in about 10 to 15 minutes.
Alright, thank you.
Yep, no problem.
So 904.
Well, we just had that large 2-topping for $8.95, but a small cost $9.04 for 1 topping.
Right.
Yeah, it was 1 topping.
It was not. Yeah, last time we got a large pepperoni and it was $8.99. How is this small one topping and it's $9.04? That don't make no damn sense. If anything, this shit should be $7 or some shit.
Yeah, they had that small pizza, get a 20-ounce drink for $7.99, but they don't got that deal no more.
They need to bring this shit to eat. Yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get some food. Are we going other places to find some?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully my fucking package come too. But I did just email them, but they didn't email me back. So yeah, I'm gonna get right back with y'all. Nice. That's a nice ass motherfucking car. Even though it's the old version.
It's the older one, but it's
still nice.
The light, that track light across it.
Okay, Pop is nice.
Yeah.
Nice ass curve. And I love me some red, so you already know.
It is nice, and that's candy apple red.
Can you quit sneezing in my vlog, man? I'm gonna have to edit that out, cause out of respect for you.
Thank you.
But you just keep on sneezing and.
You know what, Damon? Somebody loves you too. Can you hold that?
Don't be putting your purse over here with me, man.
Stop, Damon.
Stop, Davon. We. You know I don't like your purse in my position.
I don't care what you like.
Excuse me?
You really don't.
This is my seat.
You ain't got no seat.
You ain't got no area, bitch.
Every time
You ain't got no area, ho.
Your purse is
You ain't got no area.
Your other seat is in the trunk.
Excuse me? Your seat is in the trunk, you liquor.
That's the only spot that's reserved for you.
You got the right one today, I'll tell you that right now.
K5 was.
That K5 was nice on the game, though.
Only other one that was nicer was that blue.
Oh yeah, that blue one was shining. We were circling around that motherfucker. Where we going?
I was going slow too. We just don't want to go park over at
my jacket got a rip in it. And it already got rips and shit in it because of the design, but this happened because
it ripped on the door.
Me trying to walk out one day, it was at night. And then it was hooked on there and my ass was janking like, get the hell off me. And it was like, and so it don't even look like a design. You can tell this shit ripped. Like, ripped. And everything else is a design, you can tell. Like, see the design of shit. That's all the design. You can tell that was the design. That was ripped. I was like, I wanted to fight the door. Remember? He was like, don't fight the door. Don't break the door. I'm like, man, it deserved some ass beat for what it did.
You deserve some discipline for what you did to Candy.
To you.
Yeah.
The nerve of some of these.
Yeah, the nerve of some of these niggas, respectfully. So, yeah, man. I'm gonna get right with shit. How long they say my fees food was gonna be?
10 to 15 minutes.
Oh, that ain't even that low.
Yeah, but
So I got my food. Let's see what they did. Let's see if they hooked me up. Come on, open it. Oh, okay, king of this shit.
it looks good.
Looks good. Test my rags, and I'm about to test it. Oh, this is small.
Yeah, you usually get a medium.
Well, guess what? I wanted to try a small, and I'm about to tear this ass. Oh, thank you, Lord.
He fucking that shit up. Oh, God. Eat, ugly.
Ooh, hot.
Yeah, it looks like it's piping hot. All right,
Where we going now?
to this Home Goods place.
What they got?
We just don't check them out. I don't know. Going out there on.
We trying to look for this like table thing. For like a microwave or something.
But they don't have microwave tables no more because everybody's using air fryers. But you don't have counter space, you gotta put your air fryer somewhere.
Exactly. So that's what we're doing. It's good they did that.
I think that'll be full for you.
Yeah, you got what?
I'm like, well, sometimes you can slam down on a medium.
I know.
You know.
Or extra large, yeah.
Yeah. I ain't never seen you eating a whole extra large though.
Yeah, you know. How good.
Yeah, you got a hearty appetite for such a slender.
Excuse me? I need something to drink on the gang in here.
There's some water back there.
Water.
That's optimal. Come on, baby, come on. The problem material.
Good compromise, stay there. Keep my conscience clear, that's why I'm so magnetic. Manifesting, I infinite day.
Why are you sitting in a chair at the bus stop?
At a bus stop, here or you?
Yeah, fold down chair.
Here or you?
Well, sometimes you gotta sit down.
I mean, hey.
Sitting on you.
I done told that ass up. Well, one of them, shit, round two, other. Yeah, I thought I got a small before then. I really thought I did.
No, you always got the medium with two toppings. Them cheap balls.
Alright, so I got this left. Gave
Your
my
mom had a slice.
Gave my mama a slice. She over there tearing it up. So yeah, we about to go in Home Goods and see if they got something. Hopefully they do.
Nasty bitch.
What?
Any close spots?
That right there. Right there. Oh, and you still gonna pop the box. I see how you going.
I would like to be closed in by 2 Mack trucks.
Well, I will. Well, you know what? It don't make me no never man. So come on. I'm trying to close these damn boxes. You would have been probably not wanting none if I would have got sausages on it, would you?
Cheap balls.
What balls? Cheap balls. Why you calling them that?
Ugh, they're so big and thick and nasty.
What did she say? They so good and nasty. And oh my god. Be like, oh my god, the cable turned out. Yeah, shut the dick for free. Shut the dick for free. Oh my god, the lights are out. You heard me? What'd I say? Oh, good. So we ain't bad, nothing in good bad.
It wasn't goodbye, it's home good.
I mean, well, hey,
Home
good.
I saw one that I liked, but it was just too long.
Oh, D, it was too long. What did he say? So we about to go to Target.
Tarjeta?
Target. Oh, it's all, everybody and their mother out this bitch. I mean, y'all knew y'all had Thanksgiving shopping to do. Why go all late? Make no damn sense. This one right here. Oh, okay, gang in here. Shit. You found one? Yeah, we at Target.
Alright.
So yeah, hopefully we find something up here. If not, I give up. Is that the nasty Subway over there?
No.
Oh, I thought we was over here near that.
No.
Oh, this is the Amelia's old job, right? Banana bread? Yep, okay. We over here by your old job. Yep. This motherfucker don't want to close enough to beat his ass. Almost hit somebody's curb. So I just seen some pecan pie. So I'm like, if we gonna get nothing in here, we getting that for sure. For sure. We don't find no table thing, we getting pecan pie for sure. For sure. For cheesy? For cheesy, much cheesy. Pekeezy. Hopefully we do find something. I don't want to think negative though.
Yeah, that's what I'm like, we're going to. That's why I got a cart here.
So yeah, but if we don't, we sure getting pecan pie. So let me stop saying don't. Even if we do. So we found something? Did we find something?
Yes, we did.
We ended up finding something. Somebody will be all.
It's gonna be hard for me to put it in the trunk.
Motherfuckers.
I know.
It ain't gonna be hard, but yeah. Let me get my ass in this curb. Oh my damn. It's getting dark and shit already, man. Yeah, so we found something, but we ain't getting no pecan pie, but we about to go to Artie's to get some pecan pie, because we always notorious for going to Artie's and getting our pecan pie type shit. So yeah, it ain't no dull moment if we ain't got no pecan pie. So I'm about to get some pecan pie. Nah, I mean, but yeah, we found something. Is we going to Artie's or no?
Yeah. Favorite pie.
Yeah, that's my favorite pie of all time. Pecan.
Remember when we used to get that one pie? It was a cheese
sweet potato,
Italian
pumpkin.
cheesecake from there.
Huh?
It was a lemon Italian cheesecake.
I know what you're talking about.
Yep.
And we kept it in the freezer or something?
Yeah, we kept it in the freezer. I'm like, remember we could go back to getting that.
I remember that.
I'm like, I had got Tammy hooked on that.
That was good. It had like the crumble.
Yep. Like cookie crumbler. So, it was Italian cheesecake.
I love cheesecake too.
A lemon Italian cheesecake.
Yeah, they need a banana pudding one here.
Glenn was talking about banana pudding last night. He made Thanksgiving dinner.
I love banana pudding.
And he was like, he made a banana pudding. He's like, do you like it? I was like, no. But Devon loves it.
So we made it to Artie's and we trying to get this freaking pie.
This person is trying to come through.
Why is it coming through?
What
the fuck is going on?
It is. Come on, granddaddy.
He need to hurry his ass up before he get these hands. Like, come on now, back. Yeah.
His car is shining.
Shining my ass. You better hurry up. About time I was getting ready to get the pee up in here. Respectfully. He need all these old ass grandpas driving.
That way I don't want to have to back out. I could just drive straight out.
Respectfully.
And so not be doing what they're doing.
I ain't going in, y'all. I'm staying in the carriage.
See, I took that medicine. Guess what?
Your sinus senses going. Your spidey senses are going. Is that what it is? Alright, nigga. Yeah, she going in there to get the pecan pie. I already locked the door. Alright, let me see the snap my co-workers and said me, man. What my nigga Cameron said, man. He said cause the S3 was one of the new people. And they called, oh yeah, she showed the fuck that. Call off Jazz. Told me. Man, it's dark as a bitch. Fuck that. Oh yeah. Hold on. What my nigga Jazz said, man.
Yeah, that bitch weird as fuck. Like, girl, keep calling off if you want to, and they gonna kick your ass right up out of there. You ain't gonna be working at Suma.
Yeah.
Bitch, you don't look like she gonna make it.
Yeah. What I had said some funny shit. Hold on. She came with the motherfucker, had to flew my ass. She worked yesterday, motherfucker. Cut the shit. She lying ass. Capped out like a mother. Oh, I had to cap in a motherfucking blue. Cause she sure wasn't having no blue when you came to me. Ah, we talking my shit. Fucking niggas talking about. Hey, you, DFGang. Can I sing to you? I ain't gonna fake, I miss y'all, man. I've been getting shit together type shit, man. I ain't been vlogging, man. The last vlog y'all seen was the fucking crumble cookie, man. I was just getting shit together, man. It's all good, but I'm back in effect. Fucking niggas talking about what's goody. Honey niggas, I can tell you what the fucking niggas talking about what's goody. Like, yo, what up? Let me talk my shit. Fucking niggas talking about what's goody. But yeah, man, I miss my gang. Real shit. Like, DFGang is a strong ass fucking gang, respectfully. Yes, up, bang. But yeah, if y'all new to this channel, man, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Cause we almost at 2K, so let's fucking get it. Yes, I'm trying to get at 2K by the end of this year. Yeah, real shit, nigga. I'm trying to get to 2K by the end of this year. Yeah, I'm talking to you. You watching this, yes sir. And you know this shit is a vibe, and you know this shit is cool, and you know y'all vlogging it with me, and you ain't subscribed or like the video, man. Come with the motherfucking heads or come with the plans. Fucking niggas talking about real shit. But yeah, hit that subscribe button, man. Cause we trying to hit the 2K. Like fucking niggas talking about. Yes sir. Yeah. Subscribe and hit that bell. Hell, y'all ain't even gotta hit the bell. No, fuck that. Hit that bell, man. Finesse that bell. Cause I don't want nobody. Oh, I didn't know you post. Well, if that bell was on, you would know I posted. Fuck is you talking about? But yeah, man. It is packed as fucking fuck. It is November the 23rd. Thanksgiving is tomorrow. Motherfuckers is now shopping. What the fuck is wrong with y'all, man? Come on, man. Niggas is trying to get some pie. I'm trying to get some damn pecan pie. And these niggas it's packed. You can't even get no fucking parking space. It's Hunger Games out this bitch. Look. packed like a motherfucker. Like, don't make no damn sense. Packed. I'm trying to get some pie and some wine, but I'm tired of getting out, going places because it's cold now. At first it wasn't that cold. Now the temperature done drop. It's cold as a bitch, and I ain't having it. I'm not fucking with it. So y'all, she in there getting that pie at Artie's. And yeah, I'm in the car chilling, vlogging, talking to my gang. Fucking niggas talking about goodie. That's some big ass truck. Yeah, alright. I'm gonna get right back with y'all. Oh shit. What, Lily?
They sold out.
They what? They what?
I even asked somebody. That's all I saw.
And I'm in here talking my shit, vlogging like, ooh, I just can't wait. And then they come to find that they sold out. See, that's what I'm talking about. That's fucked up.
Go to the one over there by us?
Yeah, we gonna try that one. Hopefully. Because that's the one we normally go to. We never go to Fairlawn.
I always go to Fairlawn in the morning when
the car was messed up at the time, the wheel. But no, that was that just hurt my heart.
They sold out.
Sold out? What do you mean you sold out? Come with the hands or come with the plans, lady?
Because there's, you know we love theirs. Everybody loves theirs. Alright, we're going home.
We ain't even get nothing sweet from freaking whatchamacallit.
Marks.
Yeah, and I ain't going back in. I was gonna get my Christmas tree cupcake things.
I'm calling.
You don't make no damn. How y'all sold out? Come with the hands. I'm gonna get right back with y'all. Alright, gang. So we at the Artie's over here by where I stay at. Let's hope and pray they got him over here. Because, yeah, what y'all mean y'all sold out, man? Like, come with the hands, man. Like, niggas is really hungry out this bitch. Like, come on now. But yeah, is it? You would think it would be packed. Well, shit. In a way, it looked like it's packed over here, too. But shit, yeah, I hope they got him now, because I ain't got the time. Come on now. So, yeah, I'm gonna get right back with y'all. Hopefully, she come in this car with her. If she don't come in, if I don't see her with no bags, they ain't got her. So, shua, baby. Shua. What the fuck happened? Man, why you come in here like that? I'm thinking, I ain't see no bag, so I'm like, if she ain't got a bag, she ain't got it. The last one?
Yes.
Ain't God, won't he do it? This the last
one? Yes.
Last one? What is this? Is this the chocolate?
That's the candy.
You bought it with mine?
Yes.
How much was it?
$2.20.
How much was this pie?
That pie was $5.60.
Oh my God.
It used to be $4. It used to be
suckers.
$3.99. But
let's open this chocolate. I want some of this chocolate.
well, at least now you got some stuff.
Open some of this chocolate, man. I want some of that chocolate. Some of that chocolate. But yeah, we got the pie.
Something that's got Christmas on it.
Respectfully.
But
we got the pie. Respectfully. I need to throw this pizza box away because there ain't shit in there. Hold on, let me show them the chocolates real quick. Put them on game up there. These chocolates right, y'all. She got me here, so yeah.
They're very good.
I'm about to open it.
They from Artie's.
They from Artie's. You want some? I can open it. Yeah, I'm about to show y'all inside. They chocolate nuts. What did he say? Chocolate milk chocolate covered nuts. I don't like the dark chocolate. Pause. Nasty motherfuckers. Get your head out of the gutter. Yeah. Some of the chocolate. She wanna taste chocolate. Yeah, look at these motherfuckers. Look like shit. But they don't taste like that.
It is so.
Oh my, they got peanut butter in it too?
Nuts.
Tastes like peanut butter at first. Said on my own, why did it end this way?
On my own, why did it end this way?
He's good as fuck. You really got the last pie.
Somebody did it.
They did? How you know?
Because it was in a different spot.
And you grabbed it? They ain't shit for that.
Like they was gonna come back and get it.
It's cutthroat out here, man. It really is. For some pie. Somebody's like to hide the pie. Bastard. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Take it, can't take away my Man, what the fuck is wrong with these motherfuckers like that? Nigga going in the fucking McDonald's and get the fuck on.
They going into churches.
Man, that ain't got shit to do with us.
They blocking the traffic.
Hell no. And then he going to McDonald's. Man, get the fuck.
One is going to McDonald's. He got out to go to McDonald's. The other one going to church. Yuck. I do my chances at McDonald's. Churches. Yuck.
Church is sick of this shit. That yak shit. Oh
Got no seasoning
my
on it.
god.
No Lowry's.
Oh my god.
It is totally gross.
Oh my god. This is nasty.
They don't put no seasoning on the chicken. Yuck. Sorry.
Yuck.
You need a little Lowry's.
The seasoning ain't salt and pepper, motherfuckers, okay?
I don't even taste salt and pepper on their chicken. It's just like they put flour and that's it.
Real shit.
You gotta take a whole bunch of hot sauce to be able to eat it.
It can take away my dignity. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get right back with y'all. That's just how they gonna try to hide the pad like some. See, you can't hide pad from black people, cause we gon' find what we came here to find on the game around here. Fuck, niggas talking about. Gonna try to hide the pad. Where was the pie at? What section was it at? In.
It was over by where the candy was.
Oh, I'm like, they probably hid it by the toilet paper, knowing they had. But yeah, we found what we needed, and y'all, gang in here. I'm gonna get right back with y'all in a few, cause who knows what else we got planned next, gang in here. So y'all, make sure y'all hit that subscribe and like, yes sir, and yeah. I'm too proud, brother. I'm a New Yorker. Niggas said he talking shit like a nigga. Fuck, motherfucker said he talking shit. Bitch, niggas never look. Talk my shit under. Yo, bro, let me talk my shit. Where we going, Hunter? I'm about to go and get the bloody clock. Bitch, niggas said he talking Hunter clock. Niggas talking shit like they got the clock. Got the clock 40 in the back. Niggas talk shit cause they with the chit chat. Nah, I mean when I come singing. Niggas know my lyrics mean when I come slinging. What happened?
I kinda need to focus on the road.
Excuse me?
Sorry.
The light was bothering you?
Yes.
Girl, you just don't get it, dude. Oh, baby. It is traffic, and B, cause it's all everybody out tonight. Like, come on.
Getting girls first.
But I can tell that something's wrong.
I wanted to go to Artie's and get one of those little turkeys.
Let's go to Waffle House, D.
Let's go to Coles.
Coles? What's Coles? Oh, yeah. Let's get them outfits, son. On the gang in here.
What's Coles?
Coles. Keisha Coles. Ugh.
Keisha.
Let's go to Denny's on the gang.
Yuck.
What do you mean yuck? IHOP is yuck.
The last time we went to Denny's, I
liked it. Yours wasn't
a burger and it was disgusting.
Who told you to get a burger? It's for breakfast.
I don't like breakfast food.
So we at Walmart. So this is
like
what my girlfriend working at Walmart. Let me pop on her.
You see, look up there. Ain't no close spots. Bam. Here we go.
Hey, yo, Dory. You know that song, man? So we at Walmart. You got something to say?
Yeah.
Talk your shit.
I got nothing to say.
Man,
don't let me forget my hair things too.
Alright. Gang in here. Which way we going in?
You hear your ass up.
Real shit. She over here getting some meat. You said what?
I'm getting my own.
Getting your own kind of what? Just vlogging in general. I've been vlogging all day. They got that same meat slicer at my job. Jackie be slicing that crap out of that meat. What did he say? Oh, that did not sound right at all. Oh, type shit. Yes, it is. We over here by the breads now. There her ass go. She all the way over there. You all the way over there. Over there. So you at Starbucks now, huh? Oh, that's the first person you hugged? That's the first person you hugged? Real shit, okay.
Yeah, my bad.
It's been a long time since he's a man.
And I got
What's that?
Where you coming from?
Home.
I didn't know that. You said it.
No.
No.
I wish.
So you repping the Brooklyn?
I wish. I wish.
He be trying to talk to you.
I wish. Cause fuck Akron, man.
You know what I'm saying, son?
Real shit. Word to mommy, like.
My ex family live in everywhere.
You gonna break? You gonna break?
Yeah, I'm on my hour.
Oh.
I might tell you a joke, but
But never tell you a lie, respectfully.
I might
Respectfully.
you better get somebody else to do it.
Oh. Y'all better come up here and get one of these. It's a chicken salad. Chicken salad. Up here at Respectfully, wait, swimming type shit. Respectfully. Man. Respectfully. Chicken salad.
I told you we just be saying it in the...
Man, I be saying that shit at work. They be cracking the fuck up, man.
It's funny when you just said chicken salad. That shit's
It's packed everywhere. YouTube, y'all heard it here first. We about to go live again tonight. And we got a topic. That's a good ass topic. Show me around your negative woods, man. I don't know. She
Alright, you wanna see the cafe guys?
Show me some of your negative woods, man.
Let me take this shit off.
I said I knew I would be at a spot because you got that yellow on.
Yes, but it was supposed
What this is?
You would never see.
Can I get a swig of this? It's nasty.
No, it's cinnamon. Like I got a good flavor that you would like.
That bitch good as fuck. But I bet you that shit had me shitting. So fuck that shit.
You probably about to be shit.
Yes.
Oh, hold that. I'm gonna show you my funny friend.
Which one?
She over here. Oh, she not. The other one might be on break.
This shit good, man. She might have just put me on or something. You see?
Oh, that lady be trying to take you away from me.
Who?
My coworker said I showed her. She said I showed her a picture of us.
Man.
She said he a handsome little guy.
Dead ass. Trying to take me away. What the fuck? I remember your grandma was. Oh, they got gingerbread. They got Reese cup.
What?
They got Reese cup gingerbread. I might have to get that one day.
What's going on?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So, this your friend that you was laughing with?
You got your hands full. No, she's a lot of fun. I love her. She's great.
Yeah, I love her.
That's the one that smoke weed.
Respectfully.
This one.
Oh, look at this on the camera.
No, I ain't leaving. This is my hour.
Yes, sir. Gang in this bitch. That's hard.
Karen went to the car.
He said that's the one that smoked weed. That shit had me crying.
Karen went to the car.
So she
that's the
cool
funny
beans?
one. Huh?
She cool beans?
That one?
Alright. Cause man, we tried to get that pecan pie. Motherfuckers talking about they was sold out. We said, man, what the fuck? So we drove all the way to the Aldi's over there by us. Somebody gonna try to hide the shit somewhere. My mom found that shit. You know you gotta ask what can come your way, right? Understand? I ain't gonna beat you up. Not in front of your That's on abusive as shit. Hell no. I'm joking with you. I don't even know where my mom at. She probably shopping her head off right now. Ain't no
I
telling.
don't really fuck with some of the ones over there. That's something else.
Really? We're the one that was fucking with you at though. We're the one that was fucking with you at
I don't know where he at. He here today too.
Where that nigga at? Your hair's done. What's next? What's goodie? What happened? Type shit like.
What's good?
He been fucking with you? Type shit? Yeah, talk your shit.
What's good? Nigga to the city?
Yes, somebody got that loud. You can smell that shit. I'm like, damn.
That nigga from a mile away.
Real shit. Oh, they got cookies. Oh, that ain't cookies.
These not cookies. You chocolate chips.
My fat ass. Respectfully, I ain't gonna fake. I met some cool people so far.
The younger ones, I don't really care for.
That's funny.
Oh, see, I want you to meet the funny one. Like, I just want to. We gonna walk around the store. I'm sorry.
This a big ass store, man. I ain't been in here in a minute.
Girl, though, cause she might end up saying some cuss words and shit.
Yeah, I need
She's
that on my
so funny.
blog.
She's so funny when she cuss.
Yeah.
Oh, don't mind the glasses, please. It's bro.
No, mind them. Mind them.
Yeah.
Yeah, Fairline ain't got shit. I'll tell you.
Carol.
That live was funny as fuck. We was seeing that shit though.
I gotta see it on YouTube.
Yeah, face again. You probably be doing that face when they be asking you, can you show me where
I do. Somebody said, one of my coworkers said she liked my eyebrows, but I just.
You be like, do the face.
What?
Do the face. This for a dog.
Huh?
This for a dog, ain't it?
I don't know. It looks like it. And it's squeezing the thing. You squeezing it. I will.
Oh. Yes. Control your hormones. How many people do you know, man? Oh.
I'm like, I feel like I'm showing you my house.
Real shit, like I know where your house is, and I know.
What's up in CD, Chris?
Yeah. Come to my work with me, type shit.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
They don't want to see you.
Yeah, you better not do nothing mean to her, because I'm going to beat your head.
You got a lot of friends here, man.
Look. You better not do nothing mean to her, I'm going to beat your head. But anyway, it's cool. It's nice to meet you too, my friend.
Nice. No, she better be nice to me. Shit, we nice to each other, man. Yeah. Talk to me nice, don't talk to me twice.
I got people that got my back.
How many people you know here, man? Is she? I don't even know where she at, man. Right? Be like, where you at? Oh, what? Oh my fucking goodness! They got crips. They got.
The other ones right here.
They got these. Oh hell no! I did not know they had these. I gotta get this.
That one's good.
Where my mama at? You know I've been getting this lately, right? But no,
the cakes. I've been getting them too lately.
Dog.
They buzz.
They buzz like what?
Motherfucking
Oh, I gotta get these. I need to get the strawberry one, the nutter butter one, the Swiss roll one, the honey bun one. They ain't got the zebra cake one.
They need the zebra cake one.
What's these?
I don't know what that was. I was just showing you those ones.
Yeah, I need to get these for sure.
Why did it end this way?
Oh hell no, where her pie at?
Over here.
Tell me why I just seen that nigga on Twitter, like the video, when he was like, I had saved it. I was like, hell no, that nigga was thinking that shit. You got something you want to say?
Say what? What am I saying?
Anything, man. Can I get to them yams? Yeah. Hell yeah. Slurp. So alright, DFGang. That's it for the video, man. You already know what it is. If y'all like that vlog, enjoyed it, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe. Finesse that bell to always get notifications and join the DFGang. You already know what it is. DFGang. We about to maintain. We switching lanes. Fuck niggas better stay in their lane. Yeah. Exactly. Get right with you. I'm gonna get right back.
Wow, cilantro.